I was there when needed someone who wasn't getting over you. When I move to the side, when I move, call you mine, and I know what you're feeling. I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it off your mind, cause you know it's a season. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride. And I move, and I move when yeah. I get so tired of making me take a night, but taking is all that I'll do, cause yeah. I let you show, don't let you in on my life. I tell you the things that you need to know. I know you like that, I know you need that. The way you're moving your body, don't need your feedback. I know it makes sense, don't know I play pretend. I guess the seasons change.
Good morning, guys. Today I'm working in this CRV. It's a very popular car. This car get hit here in the front. Frame is bent. If you guys see that, it's very bad. And it's radiator support with this side. All things need to come out. And over here, when the car get hit from a side, it's bump up there. That's why I'm working now on this one. And also, I'm gonna put another car in the garage to work same time. This Sonata up there, this 2013. This car had 50 mileage on it. I would like to fix trunk. I have a trunk inside. I would like to fix all that because it's keep having water inside. I'm going to try to record anything on these two cars because I'm always busy. I have a lot of car already done, but I can record and work same time. And we have an airbag. Maybe I will make a video for this airbag when I replace this airbag, because the Honda, I'm very sure a lot of people is gonna search for Honda for airbag or anything. Honda is very popular car, especially CRV. Here's a trunk and rear bumper for Sonata outside. This different color, but I'm gonna paint it. And this all the part for this car, for CRV. I take everything out to see what we need to order. Even this side, when this car get hit from driver's side, it's like even this side need to pull this way too, in this side. I think that's all. We see how easy it's gonna be.
شمينا أرد على مكان لا والله شمينا أرد على